Departing significantly from the A design, the Bravo most notably features a modified engine, allowing for short takeoff and vertical landing capabilities. While this is its official on-paper ability, the F-35B can actually perform full VTOL takeoffs from a stationary position. The B variant was supposedly designed specifically with the US Marines in mind. The Marines' job is to operate from sea and onto land, whether it be island hopping or invading the mainland of a larger country. Unlike the Navy, the Marines rely far more on smaller aircraft or helicopter carriers than large catapult-assisted aircraft carriers. The F-35B design allows it to be launched from these small flight decks without catapult assistance. The F-35B comes closer to what was marketed as the Joint Strike Fighter, featuring VTOL, and operating both as a land-based and maritime multi-role strike aircraft. The greatest trade-off for the B variant is range and stores capacity. To achieve VTOL, the aircraft requires a complex shaft-driven lift fan, part of what is known as the Rolls-Royce lift system. This mechanically complex setup adds far more weight than the other two variants, as well as taking up more internal space. The main sacrifice was fuel capacity. Compared to the F-35A, the B has about a third less internal fuel stores, drastically decreasing its range. To further save weight, the B does not feature an internal gun like the A. Instead, a gun pod can be attached. Performance-wise, the B variant is limited to pulling 7 Gs. This is considerably lower than the A, and puts it closer to the Super Hornet in this respect. However, given that the Marines are the primary operator, it is understood that air superiority is not going to be the primary role but rather strike missions. So it is range, in which the F-35B doesn't match the other two variants. Its combat range is around 940 kilometers on internal fuel, and a ferry range on internal fuel of 1,700 kilometers. This is a notable difference over the others. The B is heavier than the A, with a dry weight of 32,400 pounds. It also holds less internal fuel, only 14,500 pounds, and a lower weapons stores capacity of 15,000 pounds. In all, the B is rated for a maximum takeoff weight of 60,000 pounds, 10,000 pounds less than the other two variants. Given its medium weight, the B's thrust-to-weight ratio goes up to 1.04 at 50% fuel, slightly below the A at equivalent fuel capacity, which has a ratio of 1.07, and it's above that of the C.